Hi, I'm Michelle Cromer, and this is your Creating a Meaningful Tip of the Week. It is finally spring. I have been so waiting for this. Winter and fall have a lot of yin energy where it's very passive and very soft, and spring and summer have yang, and that's what I'm all about. So I'm so excited. I cannot recall the last time when I have been this excited about spring. I feel like we've all been in this winter hibernation for over a year, but of course it hasn't been that. But finally, I am feeling a little bit brighter, not just in the colors I wear, but my whole attitude. And I wanted to bring you 9 suggestions to put your spring back in your step like I have. Number 1, spring cleaning. Let's create a space that powerfully supports the dream that you want. Open up your curtains, wash the windows, and then open them up and let all that fresh air in. Declutter your living space and let go of any possessions that you no longer need, you no longer want. Let's repurpose those. It makes you energetically lighter. Number 2, flowers. I send myself flowers. Treat yourself to beautiful, fresh flowers, or like me, plant some that you can enjoy throughout the season. Number 3, breathe in and breathe out. Focus on that mind-body connection by downloading a meditation app if you need to. After relaxing, allow the energies of this new season to stimulate you. Number 4, go outside. The weather is getting warmer, so put on some sunscreen and enjoy that dose of vitamin D. Number 5, self-care is not a perk. It is a necessity. You have worked hard all winter, so turn off your cell phone and be present in your life. Get a massage or go to a movie or take a long bath or read a book. That's what I always like to do. Number 6, this may not land with you, but it certainly lands with me. Write sentimental handwritten notes. Make someone else's day by being creative in how you express your heartfelt sentiments and gratitude for those special people in your life. Number 7, new vibe, new you. The world opens up in the spring. So it's time for you to come out of your shell to brighten up any space with new pillows or change the paint color and find some bright new artwork that you love. And number 8, I've never seen anything like this in this season. Love is in the air. What do you truly want? It's time for you to think deeply about yourself and others by asking deep questions and important questions about values and experiences. And what are your dreams for the future? Let's bring those into reality. And number 9, my favorite, travel, travel, travel. Make memories, have adventures, get lost in your favorite city, fall in love under the stars with all the people you meet. The best moments in my life will always be the ones that almost didn't happen with someone I never expected in a place that's pure magic. Thanks, y'all. Ask me questions at michelle@michellekromer.com.